Welcome to this guide on spot and preemptible instances. In this video, we'll explore how to leverage unused cloud capacity to dramatically reduce your infrastructure costs. This is an essential strategy in cloud cost management that can help you save up to 90% on your compute expenses. Spot instances are essentially unused compute capacity that cloud providers offer at steep discounts. Think of them as empty seats on an airplane that airlines want to fill at the last minute. Cloud providers have data centers with spare capacity, and instead of letting that computing power sit idle, they make it available to customers at significantly reduced prices. You can save up to 90% compared to regular on-demand pricing. However, there's a trade-off. These instances can be interrupted with short notice when the provider needs that capacity back. They're only available when providers have excess capacity to spare. Different cloud providers use different names for the same concept. Amazon Web Services calls them spot instances. Google Cloud refers to them as preemptible virtual machines. Microsoft Azure uses the term spot virtual machines. Oracle Cloud also calls them preemptible instances. While the names differ, the fundamental concept remains the same across all platforms: discounted access to spare computing capacity that can be reclaimed when needed. Understanding the pricing model is crucial for using spot instances effectively. First, spot pricing is dynamic, meaning prices fluctuate based on supply and demand in real time. Second, it's market-based, with prices set by current availability in each specific region and availability zone. Finally, you pay the current spot market rate per hour while your instance is running. Unlike the old bidding system, you now simply pay whatever the current spot price is, which can change throughout the day as capacity availability shifts. There are several strategies for requesting spot capacity. The maximum price bid allows you to set the highest price you're willing to pay per hour, ensuring you never exceed your budget. The capacity-optimized strategy, available on AWS, allocates instances from pools with the most available capacity, reducing interruption risk. The price capacity-optimized strategy takes a balanced approach, finding instances that offer both low prices and stable capacity. Choosing the right strategy depends on whether you prioritize cost savings or instance stability. The biggest consideration with spot instances is that they can be terminated at any time with minimal notice. Oz provides a 2-minute warning before terminating your instance. Google Cloud's preemptible virtual machines run for a maximum of 24 hours and give you only a 30-second notice before shutdown. This makes it absolutely essential to implement checkpointing, which means regularly saving your work progress, and graceful shutdown procedures that can handle sudden interruptions without data loss. Spot instances work best for specific types of workloads. Batch processing tasks like data analysis, video rendering, and media encoding are perfect candidates because they can be paused and resumed. Testing and development environments are ideal since they're non-critical and can tolerate interruptions. Big data workloads running on frameworks like Hadoop and Spark can distribute work across many instances, making individual interruptions manageable. Stateless applications, especially containerized microservices, work well because they don't store critical data locally and can be quickly replaced. To get the most out of spot instances, follow these best practices. Use auto-scaling groups to automatically launch replacement instances when one is terminated. Diversify across multiple instance types and availability zones to reduce the risk of all your instances being interrupted simultaneously. Implement regular state checkpointing so your applications can resume from the last saved point rather than starting over. Design fault-tolerant architectures that expect and handle interruptions gracefully. Finally, monitor spot pricing trends and interruption rates to understand patterns and optimize your strategy. By following these practices, you can maximize savings while maintaining reliable operations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.